Greetings all. Now we are going to see budget and budgetary control. A budget may be defined as a financial or a quantitative statement prepared prior to a defined period or time which focuses on policies to be pursued during the period for the purpose of attaining a given objective. Budgeting refers to formulation of plans for future activities which lays down carefully constructed objectives and programs of activity and provides yardsticks by which deviation can be measured. A budget is an estimate of income and expenses for a given period of time. The departmental heads make the forecast of the respective departments with these figures as a guide. The financial controller prepares a budget and present into the top management for final approval. The format of a budget is almost like a profit and loss statement. It is prepared for a financial year and is updated monthly and submitted for approval at least 2 to 3 months before the start of financial year. After all the income projections have been made by the department head, the controller reviews them with the general manager before starting to implement the proposed budget. Once the budget is approved, each member of the management team is obligated to abide by the budget and be responsible to his departmental expenses to the allocated amount. For controlling budget, two variances of budget, revenue and expense are assessed. In favorable condition, actual revenue expense should be exceed budgeted revenue and actual expense should be lower than the budgeted revenue. Since housekeeping is not a revenue generating department, responsibility of this department in achieving the financial goal is to control the department expenses. Controlling operating expenses in housekeeping. Effective documentation, usage, rates and cost of all inventory items should be documented. Proper scheduling of staff hiring of staff according to the actual occupancy for a specific period. Right purchasing. To control expenses, housekeeping department coordinates with the purchase department and decides the right quality, right quantity, right price, right source of supply and right time for purchasing. Efficient training and supervision. Training for new employee and training on new methods for older employee is very helpful for controlling expenses. Efficient training can increase the productivity and performance standards which results decrease in housekeeping expenses. Hotel yield management. Hotel yield management involves selling the right room to the right customer at the right time. Since competitor price, customer preferences, budgets and demand levels keep changing, a variable pricing strategy, also called as a dynamic pricing, is used to tweak room rates in accordance with the set factors. Next one, MIS, Management Information System. Management Information System in hotel industry helps in planning, management and operational controls, process seamlessness by providing appropriate report and informations. Management Information System processes data effectively, helping a hotel or resort by being more flexible to demand in understanding its guest needs or behaviors and keeping the cost down. Next one, the health and safety. There are many points for health and safety. We are going to see some points. Prioritize security, get to know everyone, check visitor credentials, make sure doors are locked, identify hazards and deal with them, learn the evacuation plan, take regular breaks, know how to use equipment. Next one, fire prevention. Test alarms and conduct fire drills. Fire alarms often are considered the most critical element of a hotel safety system. Communicate your emergency action plan, keep fire extinguishers close, maintain exit signs, declutter walls and doorways, hold regular inspections. Have an emergency action plan, that is called EAP, in place and practice it. Perform unannounced fire alarm drills with employees so everyone is aware of the exit strategy in the event of a fire. Identify a safe meeting area outside the building where a head count can be performed. Drills should be performed at least twice a year with all departments and shifts. Develop a building layout diagram. Make sure the building layout is posted on every floor with the exits clearly marked. Staff should be required to review the layout and know the location of the nearest exit and be able to help direct guests if an emergency evacuation is needed. Thank you.